Good evening. We've got a very warm evening out there. Still 71 degrees after 9 o'clock. 71 in Florence, Huntsville, and Moulton, very close to 71 as well. And even in areas that were in the upper 60s at 5 o'clock, they're now back up into the 70-degree range. So what we're going to see overnight tonight is just a lot of clouds and maybe a few showers. If there's one thing I'm seeing on the latest forecast guidance, it's that the storm system continues to slow down, and with that, we're going to see a period of heavy rain once this moves through, but it looks like that's going to be pushed more into Wednesday. So let's take a look at the setup. Warm air coming straight off the Gulf of Mexico, those southerly winds. It is breezy out there. The front, I've got it painted in as a cold front as you get north of Jonesboro and all the way up towards Buffalo, New York, but that front is not moving south very quickly at all. There's a little wave of low pressure right now northwest of Dallas that's kind of holding the front up now, but there's also some energy coming from the west that'll move across the southern Rockies and through Mexico, and that's what's going to give us our best chance of rain, and that's going to be late tomorrow night into Wednesday. So Storm Tracker Doppler, the network here, showing the showers and thunderstorms. We've lost our tornado watches we had earlier up there, and really more of a straight line wind potential now, and that really is beginning to weaken. As you can see, the front itself is stalling, and the rain, the prefrontal line here, is moving south and into areas of Kentucky. Here's our pinpoint predictor for tonight. Actually, early tomorrow morning, 7:30, a few showers out there, but notice how this line holds to the north through at least 10:30 in the morning. So if you have plans out there in the morning hours, I think you're going to be okay. It's when we get into later afternoon hours that the chance of rain is really going to go up. And this is a bit of a change from what we were previously looking at. And because of this, I dropped the chance of rain down a bit for tomorrow. By 8 o'clock, scattered showers. But notice another area, that heavy rainfall developing in Georgia. That's probably going to take some of the punch out of any thunderstorms we have around here Wednesday, and that's often the case when you get a line of showers and storms that develop ahead of everything else. It takes away a lot of the moisture. So therefore, still looking at the potential for some heavy rain. Here's 9:30 Wednesday morning. We'll continue to see those showers, and a few thunder showers move out. But then by the time the front gets here, by 5:30 Wednesday, a lot of the atmosphere has been worked over, so we're not expecting it to be very unstable, and therefore the threat of severe weather remains rather low. Here's your forecast for the next 7 days. 75 tomorrow. We're going to go 50% on the chance of rain, and therefore raising the temperatures back up to about 75. Wouldn't be surprised to see some areas a little warmer than that. Wednesday, rain likely. We're going to go with a 90% chance of rain there, 64 for the high. Then much cooler weather Thursday and Friday. Refreshing, I guess. 58 degrees. The heat kicks back on early Thursday morning.